Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot barbecue sauce. First, gather all your ingredients, focusing on those that bring the heat. Next, you will combine your dry spices with the wet components, ensuring a smooth mixture. Then, simmer the sauce gently to allow all those wonderful flavors to meld together. Finally, you can adjust the spice level and thickness to perfectly suit your taste, creating a truly delicious sauce. To start, you will need a good tomato base, such as ketchup or tomato paste, which forms the foundation. Vinegar is crucial for adding a bright tanginess and balancing the richness. For sweetness, brown sugar or molasses works wonderfully, complementing the heat. And of course, for that signature kick, incorporate a blend of your favorite chili powders, like cayenne or chipotle. Begin by sautéing aromatics such as finely diced onion and minced garlic until they are fragrant and softened. Next, whisk in all your liquid and dry ingredients, ensuring everything is thoroughly combined and smooth. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, allowing it to cook for about 20 minutes. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent any sticking or burning at the bottom of the pot. Once your sauce has simmered, taste it and adjust the seasoning, adding more spice or sweetness as you prefer. If you desire a thicker sauce, simply simmer it longer or whisk in a cornstarch slurry. Allow the sauce to cool completely before transferring it to clean, airtight containers. Properly stored in the refrigerator, your homemade hot barbecue sauce will stay fresh for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.